Hey ladies, so today we are customizing this unit's hairline. So customizing the hairline is sort of a big deal if you want your wigs to look, babe, my hands are dry, more natural. Now this is a beauty supply store wig, so it's only gonna look but so natural. Plus it's a 613, so that's already pretty drastic. But if you watched my last video, you'll know that when I got this wig, when I took it out of the package, the hairline did not exactly go well with my personal hairline. My hairline, I have a low hairline. It comes down pretty far on the sides. It comes close to my eyebrows. So in order to cover the hair on the sides, I had to bring the middle of the hairline, or the middle of the wig, down a little bit further on my forehead than what would really be most natural. Now, it didn't really look bad. I was actually surprised. It looked pretty good when I was done. But I just want to show you guys how you can cut into your wig and still maintain the structure of your wig and all of that, and still have it looking good with very little effort, if that is what you need to do to make your wig's hairline match your own personal hairline. Okay, so that's pretty much that. Let's see if we can get this part a little better. So I contemplated on whether or not I wanted to do baby hairs, and as you guys saw, I didn't do any baby hairs because, let's see what's going on here, because I just didn't want to mess it up. And I really like the way it looks without the baby hairs. I think there's just a certain sleekness to it. Even though I really like the way the baby hairs came on the unit, but I don't trust myself to get those nice soft wispy baby hairs right now. I don't want them to end up being like too short and jagged. So that might be something that I explore down the road. I'm gonna do another video styling this unit, so just showing you some of the different styles you can do with this parting space. Like I said, there's still so much parting space. It goes all the way back to here still, like that's pretty far back, even though I cut a little bit into the unit. So there's still lots of parting space, so we can do some cute styles with it. So I'm gonna do a video with some styling ideas. That's gonna be fun. And so I might play with some baby hairs then, but as you guys saw, I just took and used the back of the comb and sort of just push the hairs forward just a little bit. So at the roots, the hairs were laying forward instead of backwards, and sort of just camouflaging this line of demarcation where the lace is. I don't know what's, I have like a pimple popping off right here, and I got like stuff stuck in it now. Sexy. So anyway, I'll try to get close. You can still see the lace a little bit there, but it's much better. I mean, you don't have that harsh line of demarcation. This is a beauty supply store unit, so you're not really gonna get like, you know, invisible lace, transparent lace to a T or anything like that. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how you can go in and cut the lace to get a custom hairline. All right, well, thank you for tuning in. If you have not watched my initial review video, check that out somewhere around here, and drop any questions you have in the comment box down below. Check the description for all the information on this unit, including where you can purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and stay tuned. Next week, we're doing a video on styling this unit. Like I said, you can see all the ways you can style this awesome parting space. Until then, I will talk to you ladies soon. Bye.